Carrying on with an existence of direction and importance is something that many individuals take a stab at. Albert Einstein's statement, "Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile," urges us to consider how serving others can provide us a feeling of motivation and satisfaction. At the point when we center around helping other people, we can encounter expanded satisfaction, as well as self-improvement. This video investigates the various ways that serving others can affect our lives decidedly. We have heard many rousing accounts of people who have devoted their lives to helping other people. These accounts feature the force of one individual's activities and the effect that they can have on the world. Through their devotion, they have had the option to make change, work on the existences of others, and leave an enduring inheritance. By serving others, we can likewise discover a feeling of direction. At the point when we center around helping other people, we shift our concentrate away from ourselves and our concerns, and on second thought, center around the requirements of others. This can prompt a more noteworthy feeling of satisfaction and importance in our lives. In synopsis, this video urges viewers to consider the benefit of serving others and what it can emphatically mean for their lives. It features rousing accounts of people who have had an effect and offers the advantages of carrying on with an existence of administration. If you like this quote, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel.